Once upon a time, under the blessed reign of Sultan Bojo and Maharani Nistu, in the faraway Galdamshire, in the ancient township of Lockerbie, there was a little house. A man lived in this little house with his little dog and a little herd of industrious spiders. His name was Rupert, but his friends usually called him Dodo. Dodo loved his little house and his little dog, not so much the spiders, but most of all he loved when he met his friends and they were making music together. They lit a campfire and sat around it with their guitars and whistles and drum and bass and bagpipe. Another day they met in a tavern and sang the night through. They also sang in the church on Sundays and in an enthusiastic local choir. Dodo was really happy. Until the unhappy day when a cruel dragon COVID-19 arrived in the country. He wasn't called 19 because he would have 19 heads. In fact, he had just one Hades head. But he had 19 extremely hungry stomachs. And he killed a number of people and drove all people in the Shire into hiding. They all sheltered in their own little caves and were not sure about their future. They were not allowed to get out of their hiding places, and they had no chance to meet their friends. One day, Dodo desperately wanted to have a song. So he rummaged through the cave. He collected all the instruments he found, tuned them and began playing. He tried to sing his favorite song, but it didn't really sound right. It was nowhere close to when his friends were around and when they played together and enjoyed harmonies and friendship. And only at that moment, Dodo realized how much he missed his friends. Only in that time, when he was cut away from their company, he appreciated how special their fellowship has always been. And in that minute, he finally learned the value of friendship that tied them together. He was a bit sad because he couldn't meet his mates and tell them what he learned. But on the other hand, he was really glad he had such wonderful friends, people to trust to in any situation, people to lean on in hard times. And he thanked God for all of them. This was Dodo's story. I believe it's not too far from our stories. We also have friends and close people in our lives. We just sometimes forget to appreciate how important they are for us. If you agree with me, please don't forget to tell your friends as soon as possible how much important they are for you. And don't forget to thank your family or parents for their love and their support. And thank God for all the people in your lives. And listen now to the song which Dodo loved so much, because it speaks about friendship and mutual support. Sometimes in our lives we all have pain, we all have sorrow, If we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Swallow your pride if I have things you need to borrow. Oh, no one can fill those of your needs that you won't let show. Lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. It won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. Just call me my brother when you need a hand. We'll need somebody to lean on. I just might have a problem that you'll understand. We'll need somebody to lean on. Lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. For it won't be long till I'm gonna need somebody to lean on. A load you have to bear that you can't carry. I'll ride up the road, I'll share your load. If you just call me, lean on me. When you're not strong, I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry. If you want, you can take part in a musical challenge. Become Dodo's friends. I'm sure you could sing it much better or play it much better. So let us try to record the song which Dodo loved and then make a video clip together. If you want to try this adventure, email me and I will let you know how you can join in. Now I wish you all the best for the new academic year, and I hope we will meet face to face again and soon. I am really looking forward to it. Bye. God bless you.